Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English dictation class, and you all know what are dictation words. In my last class last week I told you about dictation words, the words in the chapter which we are studying, whatever chapter we are studying in English, the words in that chapter which are not, we are not able to understand properly, which are hard words, so those words are called dictation words. Okay, and I hope you all have made your new practice notebook for writing your dictation work and all the other work to be done in practice notebook. Good. If you have not made a new notebook of practice work, please make sure that you all make a new notebook so that it will be easy for you all to learn the words for dictation from the new नोटबुक. ओके, आपको एक प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक अलग से बनानी है, प्रैक्टिस कॉपी अलग से बनानी है, जिसमें आप सिर्फ डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स और कॉन्वर्सेशन क्वेश्चंस का काम करेंगे. ओके, सो आई होप you all understood what you have to do. Now I hope you all have completed your chapter number 7, hard words, dictation words, which I gave you last week. And those who have not completed, please search for my last video, dictation video, and you will be able to get those dictation words. Okay, now children, today I am going to give you dictation words. I will explain you. There are 1 to 30 dictation words, and these words are from chapter number 2, chapter number 3, and chapter number 5. 7th chapter we have done earlier, so chapter number 2, 3 and 5 we will do today. Okay, hard words we will do today. So please listen to me very carefully. First of all, you will all take out a new page in your practice notebook, and you will write down today's date, that is 12/9/2020, and then in the first line you will give the heading dictation words dash chapter number 2, 3 and 5. Okay, you will write this heading as I have written in this video. Okay, now coming to the first word. First word is darkness. DARK, dark, NESS, darkness. Now darkness means जहाँ पे अंधेरा होता है, no light is there. Okay, a dark place. So darkness is DARKNESS, darkness. Now second word, bumped. BUMPED, bumped. Bumped means किसी चीज़ से टकराना. Okay. Third word is meeting. MEETING, meeting. Meeting means when you meet someone or when you have a meeting for some issues. Okay, like your parents, those who are working, okay, they might, you have heard from them that they are having their meeting. Okay, so that means किसी भी टॉपिक पे कोई मीटिंग, अगर किसी को कुछ बात करनी है, सो वी टेक अ मीटिंग. किसी टॉपिक पे अगर कोई बात करनी है और एक से ज़्यादा लोगों को बात करनी है, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ मीटिंग. नाउ कमिंग टू द फोर्थ वर्ड, दैट इज़ लिसन. LISTEN, listen. Now in this word listen, children, make sure that you pronounce it as listen. Okay, in the spelling T is written, but when you pronounce, the letter T is silent. Okay, T is silent when we pronounce this word, but in the spelling we have to write LISTEN, listen. Okay, you will not pronounce it like listen. This is wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is listen. Okay, now the fifth word, trunk. TRUNK, trunk. Now what is a trunk, children? Elephants have a big trunk. Okay, now the sixth word, rooster. ROOSTER, rooster. Now what is a rooster, children? Rooster is an animal like a cock. It is a cock. Okay, now the seventh word, gently. GENTLY, gently. Eighth word, surprised. SURPRISED, surprised. Ninth word, boldly, boldly, boldly. boldly means bravely, बिना किसी से डरे. 10th word is delighted, 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 किसी चीज़ से खुश होना. 11th word is building, building, building. 12th word is evening, evening, evening. Now coming to the 13th word. 13th word is frightened, means डरना, frightened, frightened. 14th word is terrace, terrace, terrace. Now what is the meaning of terrace, children? Terrace is the छत. ओके, आपके घर की छत, जो किसी भी बिल्डिंग की छत को हम टेरेस बोलेंगे. Now 15th word is colorful, COLOUR, color, FUL, full, colorful. 16th word is walking, WALKING, walking. Now again children, I am telling you that please listen to this video very carefully, as sometimes I have listened you all that you all make mistakes while pronouncing some words. Now while pronouncing walking, many of you pronounce it like walking, but walking is the wrong pronunciation. In the spelling, while we write the spelling, we write L, but while we are pronouncing the word, so L is silent. Okay, so we will pronounce it like walking. Okay, WALKING is walking. Walking means chalna. 17th word is laughed, LAUGHED, laughed. That means hasna. 18th word is string, STRING, string. String is, what is a string, children? कोई एक आपका कोई भी एक धागा या कोई एक रस्सी, जिसको हम स्ट्रिंग बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ स्ट्रिंग वाज द where this word was used. It was used in Hasmina's kite chapter. Okay, chapter number 3, Hasmina's kite. उसमें string थी, kite में string थी. So this is that string. Now 19th chapter is, 19th word is cheered, CHEERED, cheered. Cheered means आपस में किसी को cheer करना, किसी को अच्छे काम के लिए उकसाना. Okay, cheered. Now 20th word is friend, FRIEND, friend. Next word is delicious, DELICIOUS, delicious. 22nd word is plain, PLAIN, plain. 23rd word is hump, HUMP, hump. Now what is a hump, children? Camels have a hump on their back. Okay, so that is called a hump. Now 24th word is shoved, SHOVED, shoved. 25th word is hollow, HOLLOW, hollow. 26th word is poured, POURED, poured. 27th is shady, SHADY, shady. Shady means shade वाला. Okay, जिसमें से हमें shade मिलता है. 28th word is lane, LANE, lane. 29th word is honks, HONKS, honks. And 30th word is squeezed, SQUEEZED, squeezed. Squeezed means किसी चीज़ को बहुत ज़ोर से दबा देना, किसी को बहुत तेज़. squeezed word आपका किस में यूज़ हुआ था? चैप्टर नंबर 5 हैप्पी फील्ड में. जब फील्ड को क्या बनाना था? फील्ड को रेनबो खुद का बनाना था, तो उसने अपने जो भी फील्ड में ग्रास थी उसको स्क्वीज़ कर दिया था. ओके, जिससे कि उसमें और फूल उग सके. ओके, फ्लावर्स उग सके और उन फ्लावर्स से उसमें रेनबो बना था. यू ऑल रिमेंबर दैट. सो स्क्वीज मीन्स किसी चीज़ को दबाना. नाउ Again I am repeating all the words. Listen to it very carefully that how you will pronounce, and I don't want anybody pronouncing the words in a wrong way. Okay, listen to my pronunciation and you will also pronounce in the same way. Okay, first word is darkness, second is bumped, third is meeting, fourth is listen, fifth is trunk, sixth is rooster, seventh is gently, eighth is surprised, ninth is boldly, 10th is delighted, 11th is building, 12th is evening, 13th is frightened, 14th is terrace, 15th is colorful, 16th is walking, 17th is laughed, 18th is string, 19th is cheered, 20th is friend, 21st is delicious, 22nd plain, 23rd hump, 24th shoved, 25th hollow, 26th poured, 27th shady, 28th lane, 29th honks, and 30th last word is squeezed. I hope you all have understood the 30 words, dictation words, and how you will write it in your notebooks. You all have understood, and how you will pronounce that also you have understood. Anybody who is not able to understand or who has missed any pronunciation, you can repeat my video and you can watch in it. Okay, you can listen to it again and again, and if again there is any problem, you can message me, and you can message me in the comment box and I will answer you. Okay, now with this video I will be giving you an assignment, and in that assignment I will give you these 30 words, and you can write these 30 words from there in your practice notebook. Okay, children, please remember that this work is to be done in your practice notebook. You have to maintain a new practice notebook. Okay, आपको एक नई प्रैक्टिस नोटबुक बनानी है इंग्लिश की 4 लाइन्स कॉपी, जिसमें आप ये सारा डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स का काम करेंगे. ओके, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. नाउ टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो चिल्ड्रन, till my next dictation video, I want you all to complete this work and the last work also, and please get your copies corrected. Your copy correction time is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and you can come from Monday to Saturday to school. Okay, and get your copies corrected. Till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.